Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. One of my viewers or subscribers gave me a little tip today. He must be a subscriber because he's watched a few of my videos and commented on quite a few of them. And if you didn't watch the first one, I don't know that this is going to be terrifically faster. It might be, but you've got a 20-inch box and a 10-inch box, and this is the problem I was having trouble with, is that this is longer than these top bottom sides are longer than the middle champers. And he suggested putting in guidelines, and I tried that and it didn't really help me any. But what he suggested, and it worked. All you need to know is you've got these two dimensions, and you could find out that that is 5 inches. And that's all you need to know. There's a 5-inch gap between those two, which makes sense because this is a 10 and this is a 20. So there's 10 inches split in half each way. We can go to Windows, Dockers, go down to Scallop Chamfer Docker, click on Chamfer, click on your item, and then tell it you want a 5-inch distant chamfer. Your lock is locked, so it's going to make them all equal. Now it draws in these blue lines, but as soon as you click off of it, you don't have it. And there you have the logo exactly the same. And I have to admit, it's probably a little bit quicker than the way I did it last night. So I thank the subscriber and keep them coming. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.